It's not just what you might learn, it gets you out of the house, it gives you a bit of a purpose, it's something for yourself outside of being someone's wife or partner or sister or mum, or it's really amazing. I love it.
Does dim rhaid bod ag ofn dod i fan hyn o gwbl, mae o mor groesawgar ac newch chi ddysgu dipyn bach, ond os da ni ddim yn dysgu dim byd, da ni wedi gweld pobl, os da ni'n unig, mae o'n le da i ddwad, does dim, just cymryd y cam cyntaf na, swn i'n dweud, ydy'r peth gorau i wneud.
It's a very nice casual environment of just sort of enjoying your time here and getting to experience maybe something new that you've never tried before but have always wanted to. And just having the resources available to do that as well, and just going through it slowly and just having fun with it.
I'm not very confident in myself, but I take a chance to phone colleague Menai in Bangor, and I asked them if they have any computer course, and she said they got a course in Bangor to do it, and I thought, fantastic, I'll go on that course. And here I am. Trying to build up my confidence back again. And I'm glad I did it, really, because they are fantastic helping here, and I love the course.
It's been a really nice course to come on to. We're all really passionate about what we're doing. I think we've all got kids, and it's a great way to not only help our kids but also look at future careers. So yeah, it's been a great opportunity. I'm really happy.
I also make friends. I make friends, and then I like helping people. So, I told them that you're my friends. And it's rather than teaching, I feel like it's, supporting, It's enjoyable job, and also it's rewarding.
A lot of people, the only experience they've had with education is school. And it's not always a good experience. So coming back to education, we can show them it's totally different. And it's a different way of learning.